All right, now we're going to practice reviewing our new sounds that we just learned. Ink, ank, onk, and unk. And as you're writing these, I want you to think about how similar they are to the sounds we learned last week. Ing, ang, ong, and ung. The only thing we're doing is changing one letter, the letter G, to the letter K. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Eyes on me, the sound is ank. Repeat, ank. A-N-K says ank. Okay, go ahead. The next one. Eyes on me, the sound is ink. Repeat, ink. I-N-K says ink. All right. Eyes on me, the sound is onk. Repeat, onk. O-N-K says onk. Last one. The sound is unk. Repeat, unk. U-N-K says unk. Great job practicing those new sounds.